All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Today we have a special presentation. We just picked up a 22 BRZ, and we're going to be test fitting some silvers. We got our super low kit on some Swifties. Going to get them installed, show you how to do that, and hopefully get to show you the entire range, top to bottom, of what these coils are capable of and what they're going to do for you. All right, guys, so we're going to go through a little bit of the basics. When you do a Swift spring upgrade, we take the liberty of basically setting it up for you out of the box. We'll take care of the preload. When you get a standard kit, preload is going to become preset to about 1 millimeter, which is fine for 99% of the people, but it's always suggested to double check it and ensure it is where it's supposed to be. So on the top of the coil, that's going to be your camber adjustment. Pretty much every single McPherson-based car is going to have them. And down here is going to be your height adjustment. So you unlock this one, spin the coil over into or out of the lower mount, just like a big nut and bolt. And that's it. This really sounds more complicated than it is, but once you get the basics down, it's a piece of cake. All right, guys, so you see these three studs. On most cars, they can be symmetric, the same triangle pattern. And that means when you go to install it, this could be facing any number of directions. For a good point of reference, your slotted camber adjustment, you're going to want the most adjustment to go inwards towards the engine. So we chose to go with our super low kit just so we get a better range of adjustments, see how these cars like going low. But at the same time, it looks like you're going to have plenty of adjustment. You can almost hit probably almost factory height. You could do factory height on this kit if you wanted to and drop down quite a bit. So on these cars, the shock will drop through the bottom of the mount and just keep going. So your limitation is basically putting this collar up against this one. So sky's the limit, or ground. See how this top bolt hole is slotted? The bottom one is perfectly round. So this is a feature we put into our coils that basically allows you to slide the hub in or out. So if you need more camber adjustment than just what the camber plate can do, don't forget that's slotted. You can loosen these two bolts and slide your hub in or out and then tighten it back down. Get more adjustment out of it.